India's most trusted material handling and construction equipment manufacturing company goes to Action Construction Equipment Limited. Congratulations to Action Construction Equipment Limited. And I appreciate your action of applauses. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. With us on stage to step forward are Mr. Manoj Agarwal, CGM, HED Vertical, and Ms. Manisha Bhatia, Senior Manager, Corporate Communications. Congratulations to Mr. Manoj Agarwal and Ms. Manisha Bhatia from Action Construction Equipment Limited for India's most trusted material handling and construction equipment manufacturing company.